We are from Sanjani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. We are from second year B.Pharm. We are here to perform skill based on adverse drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction is the harmful reaction which is resulting from interaction related to use of medicinal product. We will see conversation between doctor and patient. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What's your problem? What is happening to you?
Last time you gave the medicine to me.
Okay.
Due to this, I am feeling better. But
Okay.
for now, I am feeling difficulty in breathlessness.
Okay.
And also there is swelling on my face, lips and tongues.
Have you taken the medicines which are given to you last time?
Yes.
Have you completed the course?
Yes.
Okay. I will give you a new course. You start with that course. Okay.
Okay.
Just wait a minute. You take these medicines from our medical store. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Thanks for reporting.
Thank you. We will see conversation between doctor and pharmacist.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Please sit down.
Thank you, doctor. Doctor, have you heard about this recent news of progression in and adverse drug reaction?
Yeah, I've heard about the ADR, and I have it affects the causes like death and serious injuries.
The underreporting of ADR is major concern, delaying identification of potentially hazardous drugs.
Okay. Can you give me some common and uncommon examples of ADR?
Yes, there are some examples such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs
Okay.
can cause hypertension and gastritis, and some antibiotics can cause diarrhea-like conditions.
Okay.
Now we will see reporting area.
So where do we report ADR?
Yes, we report ADR to official agencies like Food and Drug Administration and European Medicine Agency.
Okay.
But I want to know what they do after reporting ADR.
Using standardized form, we give detailed information on ADR's reaction. Then ADR reporting aspects efficient and effective pharmacovigilance program. Then the protocol forms of ADR which are having owned by each country. Like India also have its own ADR, that is MedWatch form, which is FDA 3500A. It is related to cells, tissue and cellular tissue based products.
Okay.
Now we will see what is exactly ADR.
So can you give me more information about ADR?
Yes, an adverse drug reaction is harmful or unintended response to a medication.
Okay, but it's essential to recognize and report ADRs promptly.
Yes, doctor.
We will see importance of ADR.
The importance of reporting ADR in your perspective.
From my perspective, we should know the patient's history regarding ADR. It can help identifying the re-exposure of drugs, susceptibility factors like age, gender and pregnancy. Then for medication safety, we can reduce the risk of ADR on patient's body. That is safe prescribing key to reduce ADR, that is patient's body. Second, it is reporting. Then monitoring electrolyte and renal function, that can prevent ADR associated with certain drugs.
Okay, so every report counts.
Yes, every report counts and saves lives.
Let's work together to ensure patient safety.
Sure.
As we seen, reporting ADR to doctor or pharmacist is very much important for identifying potentially hazardous drug for ensuring others' safety. Thank you.